guys! Welcome to my vlog. It's another day, another vlog, another content. And for today, we are going to have our nature tripping here in... Nasaan tayo, be? Nasaan tayo, be, nagkarlan? Here in Liliw. So, nagpre-prepare lang kami, guys, for later. Ay, hindi na maharap. And yan, makikita nyo ngayon, nag-skincare ako. I'm using, hoy! Pag sinabi ko tong brand, kailangan. Naluhin nila ako, ha. Basta, I'm using Beauty Vault. And ayan, day ano na ngayon. Pero malaking pimple ko dyan, grabe. So, I must show you how to put some sunscreen. Ayan. Mahapdi siya on the first 2 weeks. Tapos nag-stop ako ng 1 week. Pero, continuous pa rin yung sunscreen ko. Tapos, ayun, bumalik ulit ako. Kaya nagbabakpak. Gawa kasi nitong pimple ko. I'm going to put this. Tatungan din natin siya ng... Ako, makiko. Ang double line protection. Don't forget your... Ay, bonus! Neck. So, makeup na ako. See you later. Guys, this is our fit check.
We're heading
Fit
to
check.
Magdito
Bakit hindi ano? Mag-brown ka na, Ed!
Parang balito ata ang gamit ko. Ito lang talagang gamit ba?
See you later, See you later, alligator. This is our journey papunta sa aming, what do you call that? Outing. Oh, it's kind of hot. Hi, guys. Pabebe, putik. Diba? We're only here at Liliw Kamayan Restaurant.
Yung ganda nito, garden style.
We are now here at our destination. Say hi to the vlog. Oh, let's go. We're going to walk. And they're having an argument dahil sa kanilang binayad. Like ano-ano na mga sukle. Okay, here we go. Langya ka. Di ba makakalimutan? There's the nature. Hey. Here now, slaying.
Congrats, Charles!
Okay, thank you. Hi. Okay, pictorial po.
May Barbie arm siya. Ang sikip niya ate, oh. Kaya matakot ko yung maganda kasi may ganyan niya ate.
That ends our day. Aray ko putik. May pictorial lang talaga tayo, no? The purpose. Anong tawag ito sa lugar na to, be?
Nature Spring by Liliw.
Nature Spring.
Sorry, gago. Batang buwak ka.
Basta yun. I'll just put it here later. Bye.